Hello, teacher and classmate. My name is Manuel Fernando Tenorio, and I am 29 years old. And I was born in Buenaventura, Valle del Cauca, but I currently live in Popayán, Cauca. And for this activity, I'm going to talk about some questions that were posted by the teacher. So go ahead. The first question is, what was the conception of material development decades ago? For many decades, material development was merely the production and accompanying a wide range of learning resources to illustrate methods. And the second question is, what does develop material demand from teachers and give a logistics and demand and explain them? The first is able to see students as holistic, unique individuals. The teacher must bear in mind that the axis of the class in the student and another the teacher himself, that all his efforts must be dedicated to the student learning. Willing to devote time to teach with learner. The teacher must forget about all his personal problems in the moment to enter the classroom, and he must always give a smile to his students. Ready to innovate in their teaching practice. And as we all know, new ways of teaching are discovered every day, and every teacher must update his knowledge frequently to avoid staying in the past. Less eager to single out what should not have been done. Focus on eliminating possible mistakes, but without belittling students. And keen on minimizing difference and maximizing similarity among students. The teacher must be equality when teaching, so that all students receive new knowledge regardless of their intellectual capacity. And keen on praising us attempt to perform tasks in different ways. He should give students different ways of doing homework so they don't get bored. And the third question is, what are the components of creating and adapting didactic learning materials? I found 6 that needs assessment, and setting goals and objectives, content, selecting and developing materials and activities, and organizing content and activities, and final evaluation resources and constraints. And the last question is, in your opinion, what is the principal role of the teacher when designing language learning materials? And in my opinion, the teacher role is the main one, because if the main mistake when implementing the material for each class, he will not be able to give them the correct and adequate information so that students could understand said information. And that's all, teacher. Thank you. I'm going to end.